How to play Blade Ball on PS4 with keyboard and mouse. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to effectively use the controls for the Blade Ball on the PS4 or PS5 version of the game. To start, when you launch the game, interact with the touchpad, press the touchpad to move around and press it again to confirm your selection. Additionally, you can access more controls by pressing the Options button. There are primarily two key actions in the game, blocking and using abilities. To block, simply press R1 to intercept the incoming ball and be directed to another player. To activate your abilities like the dash forward move, maneuver your character using the left stick. Adjust the camera settings by zooming in and out, jump, and perform a double jump. As the gameplay starts, you will see how straightforward it is to play. Remember, the core actions involve using the score for the abilities and R1 to block incoming balls. And even if you miss a block, keep practicing. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.